Hello?
No way! It's Alyssa.
Hello?
Hey, what's up? Take a guess who it is.
Joe.
A little hint. It's been a while.
Are you a lesbian?
Yes.
You are? Hmm.
Yeah.
Do you like playing with boobies?
Yeah.
So, why are you calling me?
Forget it. I guess there's no point.